and talk about the origins and insertions of each muscle. So let's start with the anterior surface of the deltoids. So the origin is going to be the anterior surface of the lateral aspect of the clavicle. So the anterior surface of the lateral aspect of the clavicle, so right around here. And it's going to go down to the deltoid tuberosity, which is going to be down here. The pectoralis major, the origin is going to be the sternum and small part of the clavicle. It's going to go down to the crest of the greater tubercle of the humerus. It's right here. The biceps brachii is going to, the origin is going to go to the supraglenoid tubercle of the glenoid fossa. So it's going to go right here, origin. And the coracoid process of the scapula, which is right here. It's gonna, we haven't learned yet about the insertions of the biceps brachii. We will learn that in the elbow unit. So next is the coracoid brachialis. That, the origin is going to go to the coracoid process of the scapula. And then it's going to go down to the medial humerus, down here. The latissimus dorsi is going to be on the posterior side. So that's going to be the spinous processes of the middle and lower back. So right over here. Top of the pelvis, lower ribs, and the inferior angle of the scapula. And it's going to go to the intertubercle groove of the humerus, over here. The teres major is, the origin is going to be the inferior angle of the scapula. And then it's going to go to the crest of the lesser tubercle, right over here. The serratus anterior is going to, the origin is going to be the outer ribs. And it's going to go to the medial border of the scapula, so right here. The pectoralis minor is going to be ribs 3 through 5. And then it's going to go to the coracoid process of the scapula. The trapezius, the upper, middle, and lower fibers, is going to be the back of lower part of skull. And then it's going to go to the spinous processes. And then it goes to the spinous processes and the middle trunk. So the insertion is going to be the posterior lateral third of the clavicle. So what that would be, posterior lateral third of the clavicle, so right around here. It would be the spine of the scapula, which is this. And then the acromion, which is right here. Next, we have the rhomboids, major and minor. So the origin is going to be the spinous processes in the upper trunk. And then it goes to the medial border of the scapula, which is right here. And then the subscapularis, the origin is the subscapular fossa, which is in here. And then it goes to the lesser tubercle of the humerus, which is here.